Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Tobie, and today's video is actually going to be super different and I'm very excited for it. I am going to be doing, well actually you already know because you clicked on this video and saw the title. I am going to be doing a haul from Miniso. If you don't know Miniso, it is a Japanese company. I actually live near one and I love going in them, and they have just such a great range of the cutest stuff ever. And like, I don't even know how to describe like what it is. They just have a lot of great stuff, like a lot of different things. They have everything from like tech things to beauty to perfume to homewares. Like they just have such a great range of things, and it's super affordable and I love it. I love walking around their store. It is great. They reached out to me to see if I wanted to do an unboxing, and I could not say no because I love that store. So I don't actually know what's in here. I did pick out some things, but they were out of stock, so I actually have no idea what's in here. I hope my address isn't on here. But I have a huge box full of things and I really wanted to get into it, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys right now. I originally didn't have scissors and I realized that was really dumb. I always have like a fear of cutting boxes down the end that I'm gonna like damage whatever's inside, because I think I've done that one. Oh, this is so cool. So this is everything that's inside the box. So let's open her up. First thing we have is a big avocado. I love avocados, so why not? Oh, you gave me like a little shopper bag. So cute. Yeah, avocado pillow, too cute, love it. It's so squishy. Next we have the most adorable little notebook with a pug on it with some sunglasses. Very cute. Oh, cute. This would have been so good if my flights didn't get cancelled thanks to coronavirus. Cute little like makeup toiletries bag. Very cute. And actually this, oddly enough, I bought like a toiletries bag for carry-on, and I ended up not being able to use it because you actually need ones that are clear so you can see what's in them. So hit up Miniso. They have exactly what you're looking for. Oh, I need this. Oh my god. I'm gonna what I mean by they sell literally anything you can think of. Like they've even had like little figurines of my car on there before, and I mean I should have gotten it because every time I've gone back not been there. Oh my god, this is too cool. This is a thigh workout thing, or a toner. Thigh toner. I don't know why she's using it on her hands, but oh my god. See, they sell everything. Oh my god. I love it. Next, what have we got here? Oh, what's that? A steam eye mask. Oh my god. I think this is, look, I'm really bad with cartoons. I don't know much past The Simpsons or Sailor Moon and American Dad, but I'm 100% sure this is Adventure Time. It does say that. I have seen this online, but oh my god, this is so cute. This is steam eye masks. It soothes and moistens eyes. Oh my god, that's so cool. So you can get like little things like this there as well, like little pamper stuff, little different skincare items and things like that, like little fun things like this, and with a cute cartoon on it. Ooh, we have a bunch of booth items, so I'm just gonna take one out at a time, or two at a time. Oh my god, cute. Oh my god, these kind of look like little yogurt patches, but they're not patches, pouches. So these are little face masks. How cute. This one's an aloe vera one. It's nourishing, delicate, and smooth. And oh my god, it's a peel off mask. That is so satisfying. Not a peel off one, but this one is an Energy of Fruit 3-in-1 Essence Pomegranate Face Mask. Very cute. little bit of pampering from Miniso. Oh, needed. Some hand sanitizer. Absolutely needed. Oh, it's scent free. I've noticed like throughout this whole thing that some places just sell the most feral smelling hand sanitizer I've ever smelt, like legit. So scent free, a lot of places need this. So this is a vibrating facial cleansing brush. I've seen these everywhere. People rave on about this. Oh, it's like double-sided. That's really cool. I actually don't know too much about these things, but I've legit seen people everywhere talking about it. That is so cool. Wow, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to like push your products like way further in and like the vibrations help and everything like that. And it's silicone, cute like little peachy color. Oh, we've got a cute little eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna open. The Miniso Color Me eyeshadow palette in, I don't think it has like a shade, but it's got like a number 6 on it. Oh my god, it's like beautiful shimmers. Isn't that stunning? And as I was saying, like this is all super affordable stuff. They often sell eyelash packs and singular eyelashes as well, but like packs of them as well. And I always tell people to go buy them from there because they are such good value for money and the quality of them is insane. Love their stuff. What else have we got in here? Ooh, this is a deep cleansing foam. And I'm guessing it's like a grapefruit scent. Wow, very nice. Oh, it's made in Korea, so you probably know that the skincare is gonna be pretty good. So this is it here. Pretty big bottle too. And last in this little mystery bag, we have water-based peel-off nail polish in Sunshine. Oh no, in Shimmer Black. This is it here. Shimmer Black is very, very interesting. Why isn't it focusing? Hello? Oh, well, you get the kind of point. I've never actually done Shimmer Black. That's very interesting. First time for everything. Or, cute, a little baggage tag for your luggage. Hopefully, I'll be able to use that soon. That's adorable. And then I'm guessing on the other side, you fill in your details. Attach it to your bag with an avocado. That's amazing. Oh my god. That's really cute. What is this? Oh, it's a little cell phone pouch. That's cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, and it's on a chain. Okay, so it has a chain with it as well. This is like really, oh, cool. This is literally the smoothest material ever. This I've always thought about getting, like, especially when you go to concerts, you could literally just put your phone in here, or like festivals, or like literally anything that's in like mass crowds that you're worried about people getting into your bag or something. I've always wanted to get one of these and chuck my phone in. My phone's got, like, obviously your cards. Done. Attach the chains on the back, wear it crossbody, wear it over the shoulder. It'll look so cute. And they actually do sell like handbags and things in there and backpacks that are so cute. So this will be getting a lot of use. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. We've got some cute little gel pens to go with our notebook. Very nice. Oh, one of them says fall in love with your life. I'm a sucker for cute stationery, like such a sucker for it. And last but not least is something I'm freaking pumped about. We have a little bit of a makeup brush set and it even comes with a little bag. Oh my god. I know I talk about traveling a lot, which is a really, considering I can't travel at the moment. But this would actually be so good for traveling because look at the size of it. Like compared to a full length brush, like another brush, it's quite teeny tiny, not crazy tiny, but like it'd be so good for traveling because it comes in this cute little case. That is amazing. So we've got an eyelash spoolie, an eyeshadow sponge brush, which I actually love using. They pick up pigment like there's no tomorrow, just saying. Another little fine detail brush, a fluffy brush, a more contoured fluffy bruch, and a bigger fluffy brush. Woohoo! And in pink, so, you know, can't go wrong. A 7-piece brush set. Woohoo! That's definitely right up my alley. As I said, they have a lot of good, like, really great beauty stuff. Like, oh, and their makeup, so good. But that is it for this unboxing. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. This was so much fun to see what was in this box. And yeah, let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit up. I will leave all Miniso's details down below. If you live by one especially, you need to go and check them out. They're also available for shopping online. But such a great store, and thank you so much, Miniso, for sending me this beautiful box of goodies. But yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!